In the era of 5G, charging mobile phones has long become our daily routine. However, what is the appropriate way to charge your phone? You really don't know. Here I will give you an answer. First, let's debunk the lies. 1. Will the phone be powered off after it is fully charged? Will this affect the battery life? Answer: no. Nowadays, most mobile phones use lithium polymer batteries, which can be charged and used at the same time. 2. Will the battery be affected if the phone is charged at night without being disconnected from the power supply? Answer: no safety risk, but it will accelerate battery aging. 3. Can the phone continue to charge itself when it is hot? Answer: yes. The charging power will be intelligently adjusted to reduce heat and charging will be slower. There is also an over-temperature protection function inside the phone. Under extreme conditions, the protective mechanism will be triggered and the phone will automatically shut down to ensure safety. However, prolonged charging at high temperature can accelerate battery aging, so avoid charging in very hot conditions. 4. Will the phone be damaged if it is charged with a non-original charger? Answer: there are safety hazards. Third-party chargers and data cables that haven't been tested for compatibility may affect charging performance or be unsafe to use. Using non-original or poor-quality chargers can damage the phone. Charge your phone battery this way for longer life. Keeping the battery power in the middle range 20 to 80% is more conducive to extending battery life. If you have a device that's been stored for a long time, turn it off and recharge it regularly to keep the battery around 50% power. Don't play with your phone while it's being charged for a long time, especially in power-intensive scenarios such as watching videos and playing games. The phone's temperature will increase. Charging at high temperature takes longer and accelerates battery aging. Don't keep using the phone while charging. Just wait and rest your eyes. Use the standard charger and data cable. Standard chargers include multiple protection circuits: over voltage, over current, over temperature, short circuit protection, etc. Use certified chargers and cables from reputable manufacturers. Poor or untested chargers may cause safety hazards. Do not use a computer's USB port for charging. The current from a computer USB port is unstable. If you plug your phone's cable into a computer USB port, it can damage the battery and shorten its lifespan. Do not charge your phone when it's exposed to high temperature or when it's hot. Heat from a high-temperature environment and high power consumption while running the phone will affect battery life. Avoid charging in direct sun or very hot places. If your phone feels hot while charging, pause and let it cool. Charge in a moderate temperature place. Avoid leaving the phone plugged in for days or keeping battery at extreme states. Unplug after full charge and avoid letting the battery drain to zero often. If you notice swelling, persistent overheating, odd smells, or inconsistent charging, stop using that charger and seek professional service. Recap: use original shock certified chargers. Reduce heavy use while charging. Keep temperatures moderate. Unplug when full, and stop for overheating. Use original or certified chargers. Reduce heavy use while charging. Keep temperatures moderate. Unplug when full. Stop for overheating. Want more phone care tips? Like and subscribe.